Welcome to how to use the STYLPRO Wavelength LED face mask. Within your package, you'll find your LED mask, your head straps, your eye comfort pads, and also your remote control. Now it's time to assemble. Start off by placing your eye comfort pads in the eye holes. You have a left and a right, which indicate what side they should go into. Now that your eye comfort pads are in their slots, you want to attach the straps, ensuring that the white circle is faced outwards. Finally, once your straps are secure, you want to attach the wire into the remote. To charge, use your USB-C provided and plug into the top of your remote. A battery loading sequence will appear and this indicates it's charging. Mode 1 is anti-aging, featuring the LED red light. This helps with fine lines, wrinkles and the production of collagen. Mode 2 is blue light. This tackles acne-causing bacteria. Mode 3 is near infrared. This helps with inflammation and overall skin health, focusing on things like tone and texture of the skin. Mode 4 is all three combined, red, blue and near infrared. So if anti-aging, acne-causing bacteria and inflammation are your concerns, this is the setting for you. Attach the straps to the crown of the head. To switch on, long press the on button. To then switch modes, press the M button underneath. Once you have chosen the mode to tackle your concern, enjoy a 10-minute session. The timer will go down on the screen and the mask will automatically shut off after 10 minutes. To turn the mask off before the 10-minute session is up, long press the on button and it will shut down. Once you have finished your session, remove the mask from your face and wipe down any areas that have come into contact with your skin. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, email teamtom@styleideas.com.